How to create a Ring account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a new account. First of all, open the application. So now we're in this login page. Here you can find this option called create account. Tap on create account and here enter your first and last name. Simply hit on continue and here this is the section where you must select your country. So simply search for the country and add the country. At last, tap on continue and here the section of email is where you must add a valid email. So use the email that you use on a regular basis and at last add a password to secure your account. So enter a valid password that you will remember. At last tap on create account and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.